Great, here I am, buddy. What's going on?
So I just want to, go over a few things. This is the Jeff Richards Show, and I'm filling in. Oh, the Jeff Richards Show.
Oh,
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's my...
What is extrasensory perception? Extrasensory perception basically means that all your sensories, your auditory, optical, olfactory, tactile, and gustatory, all that means that you see, smell, taste, touch, and you hear.
This is great. This is fantastic. Okay, so here's the deal. I wrote some questions. Some other people wrote.
Have you ever operated a chainsaw? Have you ever?
Years ago.
Yeah, probably 2019. I would say.
What did you think of that laugh I just did?
I love that laugh.
It's pretty. You look like. I was just gonna say you look like Naomi Campbell at 86.
Naomi ain't never looked this pretty.
we're out playing plays, have a look at their life. You know, honey.
Have you had a meal today, Brad? You seem a little low on the blood sugar.
No, I haven't. I'm not a breakfast person.
Extrasensory perception.
Here I go. Here.
No.
I got into composing and arranging.
You ready to...
It's my show, but I'm never there.
Killing it for you.